Cat Country 98.1. Good morning, I'm Jess, along with Brian and Amanda, and we have a special guest in the studio. Brian is encouraging him to follow his dreams in radio and TV.
I think I've been doing the exact opposite for like the last 15 minutes.
I'm feeling bad. I'm surprised he hasn't run out the door yet. Seth, the final contestant from the Road Show.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Hello, how are you?
I'm well, and yourselves?
We're good. You were bright and early.
I like to be punctual.
That has to end.
Yeah, we usually walk in the door about 2 minutes before the show starts. You were like a half an hour before you had to be on.
Okay, well, it's true, and I didn't know about the traffic, so it was a little of both.
Well, there's no traffic at this hour, believe me.
I learned that lesson this morning.
Yes. We don't even need Brian really to work, but,
No.
I mean, he makes some things up every once in a while just to keep his job.
that Seth got off to a better start than Venus did yesterday because
Excellent.
we actually pulled in at the same time, and right away I'm like, who's this jerk taking up a Cat Country spot?
Huge jerk.
But then I noticed that there were Red Sox bumper stickers all over the back of his car. So I said, well, okay, then I can allow for this.
I'm a big fan.
Venus yesterday was talking about, I'm from the Bronx, I like the Yankees.
Well,
So
and give her credit. She said her dad likes the Yankees, and so she was being supportive of her dad. She didn't.
It doesn't matter. There's no
I feel like
excuse
she's
for liking the
making
Yankees.
excuses right now.
As soon as she said the dreaded Y word, he was over
I was
it.
done.
Good.
So you are the contestant that the fans voted to be the fifth finalist.
True, yeah, I was very excited to hear that.
So tell us how you heard about the contest and, actually the job for co-hosting for the year and what your campaign to get on.
Well, I was woefully unemployed, and I was looking on Craigslist one day, and they had the position up there, so I said, that sounds delightful. So I called my buddy, and...
Did you really say that sounds delightful?
I think I did.
Yeah.
I'm not really sure. I love the word delightful. And so I went up to see my buddy, and we shot my video in about 3 hours and cut it, and then about a month later, we heard on the air that we were the 5 finalists.
So you had to have been excited about that.
I was ecstatic.
Now, when did you find out that you were going to be the only guy out of all the finalists?
That morning, when they said we were the top 5, we all rejoiced, and then I looked around and realized that I was the only one with not shaven face.
Now, do you think that gives you an advantage or disadvantage?
Well, if they want a guy, I have a pretty good shot. I feel like if a man's going to win, I'm in.
You mentioned the unemployment thing. That becomes an old, comfortable chair in media, by the way. Get used to it, my friend.
Excellent.
Brian, don't
What?
discourage him.
Just trying to bring a realistic bent to the whole thing and prepare the kid for what could be ahead of him,
Yeah,
I mean,
I enjoy depression, so...
and the thing is, too, is if you really want to do it, there's nothing I can say that's going to discourage you.
Well,
True.
this is the thing. You could be 40 and living at home with your parents like Brian, so
Nah,
just
that's-
remember that.
Some of that is not true.
Yes, he
We're
has
not gonna-
moved
we're not
out.
gonna
Are you
acknowledge.
36, or...
I am 40, and that's the part that's true. Okay?
He doesn't dispute the fact that he lives with the parents. No, he has moved out. All right, so as soon
Last
as you
year.
came in, the first thing you said to us was, I know nothing about country, please don't quiz me.
that may or may not be true, yeah.
So we're going to give you we'll give you an easy quiz today.
Okay, I can deal with that.
All right, multiple choice stuff.
We'll
Yeah.
do some multiple choice
All right,
stuff.
well, let's see how he does. I hate to tell you, but everybody else has done really well in the quiz all
That
week.
makes me nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it shouldn't because this has no bearing on Monday.
All right, then, good.
I think this has everything to do with who gets the roadshow position, who wins the quiz.
We'll see. We'll see what happens.
All right, I'm going to give you 3 artists, and you need to tell me which one has not been in a major motion picture.
All right.
Okay, Trace Adkins, Tim McGraw, or Kenny Chesney.
Well, that's obvious. It's obviously Tim McGraw.
You know which
And
one hasn't been?
That could
yeah.
not be a more incorrect answer. He's probably been in the most movies, actually.
Well, it's obviously Kenny Chesney.
It's Kenny Chesney.
Yeah.
You're right. Yes, you knew Trace Adkins was in a movie. I'm impressed.
Hey, what about that 3D thing he was in, though?
that? Doesn't count. It's a
All right.
concert,
All right, fine.
right? We don't count that.
No, I was going to say that. It's not it's a concert.
Very good liar.
Yeah.
All right, who was married? You might know this one. Who was married to a rock producer that produced for Def Leppard and Bryan Adams named Mutt Lange? What famous female country artist?
K.D. Lang.
No.
Okay.
Katie Lang, that's that's never going to happen in
Is that
any
a
universe,
person?
by the
Okay.
way.
She's a...
That don't impress me much.
Yo,
Man,
I feel like a woman. Come on.
I don't know. I'm going to go with Sheryl Crow. Shania Twain.
Oh, well
Shania
done.
Twain, a voice from the back, got it.
Excellent.
And we'll give you our final easy one for the
Okay,
day. Whose former boyfriends include Joe Jonas and Taylor Lautner?
Taylor Swift.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yes.
Finishing
All
strong.
right. So Monday night is the primetime special, 7:30, right?
Get all gussied up for it, yeah.
And you guys find out live on air who
Yes.
wins.
Uh-huh.
So do you have your faces practiced? Let's see your faces, which is great for radio.
That's my happy face.
that
Now
was
let's see tears.
Let's hear them.
Woohoo!
Those are tears?
Oh, tears. I'm sorry. I thought you said something else. This is going to be my tear. I'm miming.
Seth has been
heavily.
drinking this morning. Yeah, exactly.
Well, you're on the right track for a career in media. That's what you're going to do.
Yeah.
Seth, thank you so much for coming in. We wish you the best of luck.
Hey, thank you all very much.